Hello everybody and welcome to the unboxing video for the Samyang Autofocus 18mm f2.8 full frame lens in Sony E Mount. Now this is a budget lens, so the packaging's not going to be all that exciting. Cardboard box, some foam, a little plastic bag or two maybe, I don't remember, we'll find out. Anyway, so we're going to go inside the box here, and that you can see just some foam, some warranty information. That's going to be the lens inside of that little nifty carrying case. The carrying case, by the way, is pretty darn nifty. Some desiccant gel that you do not want to eat or put in with your beef jerky if you enjoy that. So let's get this space cleaned up, get rid of some of those boxes and stuff, and let's see what is inside of this little carry case. So the case and the lens really do a nice job of coordinating. Both have a very stately red line around them and say Samyang and are black. I think they were probably designed to go together fairly well. Here's the lens, and it's got a petal hood that you can take on and put off, or take off and put on, whatever the words I actually am looking for here. That does a pretty decent job, now having used this lens for some number of months as I record this, at reducing flare. So nice metal mount, which is pretty good. Was really surprising. I bought this lens for $330, I think it was, and I was pretty pleased by how smooth the focus was, the quality of the lens mount, how well everything really fit together, and now having used this lens for a while, how good the autofocus and optical quality are. So that's the unboxing. Here are some sample images.